Insight presents In the Kitchen with Inspired Nutrition by Kelley, brought to you by Fresh Thyme.
Welcome back to Insight. We're here at the Northeast Y, brand new, and we're going to find out, what is this? It's just a salad in a jar, right?
This is a salad in a jar, and of course you've got lots of options. You can do this with all kinds of ingredients. These are all have been picked because they're just really high in antioxidants and enzymes, and it's actually called an anti-cancer salad.
Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
because everything in here is related to help your cells stay healthy.
And I'll be honest, when I think about packing my lunch, I'm like, you know what? It's embarrassing to walk in with the bag and, you know, you look like, all right, you're just schlepping it. This thing, I would want everyone to see this as I'm walking in. You know,
Yeah.
it looks great, and then it smells so good, and it's going to taste good, too.
Oh yeah, and it's beautiful. It's so nice to open up your refrigerator and be like, all week I'm all set.
Oh,
you know?
yeah, you do a bunch of these all at once?
Yes, you do. I mean, you can do like 5 or 6 and they'll last like a week in the refrigerator. So you're set.
Okay.
You got everything you need. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
I got the jar.
That's right. So we're going to start with our jar, and we're just going to do a tablespoon. You got your tablespoon there?
I do.
Of olive oil. We love olive oil. Great anti-inflammatory. And then the next one's going to be flaxseed oil. Now, great high in fatty chain omega-3s. Essential fatty acids, essential because we need to include them in our diet. Great for brain health, right?
And it's good that you were putting the dressing on the bottom, because that's what was my first question was, how does it, you know, not wilt all the vegetables because it's on the bottom?
That's right. So we just strategically kind of place all this in here. So dressing on the bottom.
Yep.
And then just a splash of your apple cider vinegar. We know that's great probiotic, great for our gut health. Yeah, it's strong, so
Okay.
be careful with that.
So there's my dressing just sitting there on the bottom.
There you go, and then we're gonna add some medicinal spices, and these are all just gonna be 1/4 of a teaspoon. So
Okay.
you can just go with me here, we'll just add these across. We've got oregano, we've got garlic, good for your immune system, turmeric, highly anti-inflammatory, right?
By the way, I'm using heaping.
Heaping, yeah, get
so
those
this
in there.
This is going to be the spiciest salad we've ever had.
So that'll be so good. So next we're gonna grab our dark greens here, and I'll show you how you do this. If you wanna grab your kale, we just pull it like this, right between your fingers. You can get them like this, and just pull it. There you
that.
go, beautiful.
Are you kidding me?
Perfect.
Huh.
And then we'll just give that a little bit of a chop. You can go ahead and grab those other greens too.
Yeah, all right, I'll let you chop the kale.
All right.
And this is a great thing you'll find at Fresh Thyme, where they've got all these different greens pre-sorted, pre-measured, you know, all this, and so it's not just like spinach. It's got spinach in it, but it's got a bunch of other things in there too, which just obviously gives you a whole benefit of as far as health goes and flavor goes.
Yeah, and
that's
it's
just looking good.
all nice and beautiful, organic, simple.
So now it's like the project that you used to do in 5th grade where you're making like sand art.
That's
Remember
right.
that?
That's right. And from here, we're just going to put on all these beautiful layers of colors. You want lots of colors, lots of fresh enzymes, lots of fresh antioxidants. That's what all these colors represent. So we're going to layer all of these different colors, mushrooms for our immune system. We've got leeks. And then on the top, we're going to do some sprouted almonds. So get some raw almonds and put them in a cup and just let them soak for a little bit, and you'll get so much more out of them. And then sprouts on top. Sprouts are terrific. Yours is looking great.
Oh, there's something there.
Yes, and then for a little healthy fat, we can also do some avocado on top of yours. Why don't we just go rolling with yours over here?
All right.
And what I do is just slice it in half here and just slice it in this little cup here, and we'll just pile it right here on top.
If you want to get the complete recipe, although it was pretty easy to follow along, but we get ingredient specific. You can get that online. You can learn more about the Fresh Thyme app as well. We will be right back on Insight.